All right. Hello, hello. My name is Jose Hernandez, and I'll be demonstrating this project for my class wdd231. So let me start by just sharing my screen where I have my project, and here it is. Okay. So my project, the site name is Allied Fencing and Services. Um, One of its main purposes is to display information and provide general details about Allied Services, which is a company I used to work for um, some time ago. So Allied Services provide different various types of services, mainly for construction. And this landing page, this homepage, is well designed to provide the user with that information about the services, to have real-time quotes about prices, about um, estimates, about material list, or just to get in contact to get a quote for any different service that we have, and also provide any other detail related to the company. Well, just first of all, this is the home page. Here I just designed these images to change everything seconds. And then we have a little widgets section. I have a little calendar which displays today's date, a little photo about the company workers, a little video because I like Fancy makes a lot of videos on how to do your own construction stuff. Then our location pinned in a iframe map, and a little box with a contact us. This little sidebar here, back so soon, awesome. It's using the it's using local storage to store when was our last time here on the page. And just demonstrate a little of the responsiveness of the page. Layout changes and also images change when we change to mobile and desktop. And well, it responds to those changes too, and three different categories. Yep. Okay. So that's for our homepage. Then we have a service page, which displays four cards of the different services Allied Services provide, like fencing, tree removal, walling, and landscaping. And then we have here a little button that when you click it, you can see right here, it's a WhatsApp me to a phone number. And I want a quote for tree removal, or I want a quote for fencing, or I want a quote for welding and landscaping. And just to show about the responsiveness of this page, this uses a grid named areas to display the the card to show the card display. So it changes from lower to more wider screens. Yes. All right. Then we have a little join page with our form. We can come just here and set our information to register for leads, for job opportunities, just so that Ally Services can have um, I don't know, someone who comes here and has a construction company, and then we do construction, and then well, just submit your registration and get a successful registration details right here. If you kind of hover here, you can see right here on the lower part, it's a mail to that address. So just for an extra functionality and maintaining our header and our footer the same. And last part is it's a calculator. Last part is a calculator for a fence Um, for example, let's say, oh, what did I do? No, let's say that it's a calculator for what? Enter stretches. What is it? So a stretch is a section delimited usually by two terminal posts on each side. Do not forget to include angles of sides. So we have a definition for each one of them. Got the gauge, the grade and finish. So every step has its own details and is displayed here in a message. And then let's say we have a stretch of 10 feet. We have two terminal posts, height of 6, gauge 11. Then this is a residential for my house. We don't have any gate, but I do want to add some privacy slats, color, brown. All right, so we click the calculate button, and then we have a result. So we have a result for an estimated cost for chain link, for terminal post, and this is all displayed according to some factors that the company takes us onto account. And then we have a material list that is displayed for fabric, for framework, fittings, ties. There's some stuff that is very useful for the staff members and also the sales representative to just know about prices and have like a real-time estimate or really quick estimate to make for someone. And just last thing on this page is this little, well, this little media player. And yeah, basically it's just it using a YouTube iframe uh, link. And then we have here just a little extra API call to to a weather OpenAI. Let's say we just want to get the weather on El Paso. Yes, and then we click here. We have a message here searching for weather in El Paso, and it will display in a message the weather in El Paso, US, temperature, and the little image. And that's it with every other city or country. And this is the landing page for Allied Fencing and Services. And well, that's pretty much for the responsiveness, the um, and the working flow of the page. So yes, well, that's it for my project, and yeah, that's all.